In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge two columns into one. Alright, so here in this, one of the tasks that was set out for me was I need you to merge this article ID with this URL because each article is unique and each article has a unique ID that corresponds to a specific URL that the ID uses. And I needed to merge all of these into one cell so that they can use that for SEO purposes and redirects and that kind of thing. So what I did was, as I broke it up, is first I exported the article ID and the headline into an Excel spreadsheet, and then I just simply added the URL and just copied it all the way down. And then now what I'm going to do is actually put the article ID and the URL together in one, and to do that I'm just going to simply say equals C2, which would be the URL, and just append to it A2, which is the article ID. So if I take this formula and add it to the new column, full URL, and press return, now you'll get the full URL, which has the URL and the article ID at the end. And then all I need to do to finish syncing everything up is just copy all the way down, and you can see the article ID gets copied over with the URL. And here's the article ID. So basically the way you need to think of it is just to break up the task into its own columns and then merge it all together.